That is, I divided into complete lockdown, intermittent lockdown, just like explanation is what is going on now. Near normal is in situations when there is no government ban, but because of fear factor and the other factors, people are not coming in. And normal means normal. If I give an example, see, I am visiting 2,500 patients in a year. Just now, our striking rate is 5 to 10% in the different centers. So, based on this, I have prepared this. Keeping in mind, the question is, apart from the government sector, in the NGO sector, whether it is in private practice, solo practice, it is in the block level, it is in the district level, or it is in the metro city, whether it is in charity, whether it is in corporate, whether it is a group practice or solo practice, I tried my level best to cover all these aspects. So maybe I'll be having some fun whenever we find a crisis. I am sharing here one, it's not moving here. Yeah. The 6 steps of crisis management. Do not panic. Create the framework. Roles and responsibilities. Develop and command system. Validate the plan and team. Implement changes and re-evaluate. So, starting with these financial policies for COVID-19, in the month of April, I am giving example of Sushruth Eye Foundation, that 7-month plan from March to September we did for 2020. What we did, the principle is, that is always, you can change according to your scenario. Cut down in incentives without touching the basic. No cut in low range, including incentives. Cross subsidy from the upper range. Now, question comes from where the money will come. One term I will just coin today, this is beyond ophthalmology, SAFE. SAFE is a very meaningful word nowadays to us. Explanation is stay away from exposure. Now, coming in reality in the instant in the month of April, we had some income from 15th March, we worked half of the month. Then there was a profit in all the segments, starting from block level to metro, starting from charity to corporate. There was some profit. We shared this profit. Everybody works with some kind of contract with government, with corporate, maybe insurance, or some pending collections. And those who are in the corporate works with the bank, maximum credit limit from the bank. So that is the extra resources which managed us up to September 2020 if we do not have any fund. I'll be going the detailed, the beyond ophthalmology, how we'll be generating the extra fund and how we are doing it and how we are implementing it. I shall be grateful. Maybe this forum won't permit the time, so the Alcon peoples are there. I'll feel honored if anyone have want to know their query from me personally, can contact the Alcon peoples. I'll be happy to share my findings and what we are doing. So we have said this is lockdown, intermittent and back to normal. This is emergency OPD, diagnostics IPD, separate red eye clinic. This is very important to us, marketing e-consultancy. E-consultancy is nothing but we have opened up a new WhatsApp number and contact number. We work in Eastern India. Just I share you, by the 15th of April, we have been able to contact our number is around 10 crores, but we reached around 5 crores people in the state. It means we have acquired some of the peoples by this e-consultancy, but it is not teleophthalmology. I'm very sure about it. Please, I am not very comfortable in teleophthalmology. Definitely regarding SAFE, I will come in my later slide. So I just can tell you that 4-layered mask, I put one picture over here. This is, we call it SS. SS signifies Sushrut SAFE. Nowadays in Salt Lake unit, roughly we are visiting by 100 patients, and would you believe our own product, this masks and PPE kits, is number is more than 100 in each segment. And definitely what we are doing, implementation training of post-lockdown policies when we are going for near normal and the normal scenario. Basic policies, enough has been taught and shown. This is mask, social distancing, thermal screening, PPE, hand hygiene, and sanitization. So what I'll be doing here, maybe a short video clip for 20-30 seconds for OPD, what we are practicing. The same applies to OT. So in the intermittent phase, what we are doing, rightly Dr. Choudhury has said, we are following all the notifications of the government of India. 3 departments we are following. One is Prime Minister Office, another is Home Affairs, another is Health Ministry. Same applies to our state government and the local authority. What we have found for the marketing purpose in the intermittent phase or the lockdown phase or the near normal phase or the normal phase, the most important factor which is going to the people's mind is the safety measure, that this is a safe COVID hospital. I can go do the investigations, can check the eye and can do the surgery. Appointments, rest has been thought about, using the extra space, physical remodeling, and most importantly SOP and training. And again these are certain pictures of what is I have taken, what is going on, and importance is marketing. This is in terms of investment. These are some snapshots I am sharing that using Zoom, Webnex, and definitely Google. Now coming to this slide, if I say I can survive on the basis of a understanding, this is profit is equal to income minus expenditure. So we understand hospital income just now it is 10%. I don't know if we stay with the COVID, maybe in next 2 years, whether it will go to 40%, 50%, 70%, the future will say. Pharmacy income definitely has gone down. Optical income definitely has gone down. Miscellaneous income definitely has gone down. But other source, definitely I'll take some few minutes for the sake to explain in my next slide. Regarding expenditure, overhead fixed expenditure, some had put some questions that how do we reduce overhead expenditure, like electricity, telephone, vehicles, etc., etc. That I will cover under SAFE. I can tell you in the meantime, we have not crossed 2 months. We have bring down this recurring expenditure to 50% of 18-19 what we did. Salary and parks, yes, incentives we have cut down, but when I'll explain this safe, this means stay away from exposure, you will understand. Consumables, when there is no surgery, definitely consumables price has gone down. So now to say, it has 5 pillars. One pillar is reducing fixed expenditure of the hospital. Can I remove this one? Yeah, thank you. Talent hunting for beyond ophthalmology means for the SAFE program, whatever is coming up. It will enhance more individual earning, and wherever required, rather it will create more employment. For this, we need optimized routine roster in whatever phase, in lockdown, intermittent lockdown, or near normal, or in the normal phase. And definitely this is a model which is replicable in each level. Again, I re-emphasize, in case of individual practice, in social group, in corporate group, in charity group, in group practice, in city, in metro, in India, or anywhere in the world, if the law permits. So these are certain pictures I am sharing you. They are nothing but our staff. We use the Google for training. We have taken some of our friends, those who are working. So we subdivided this entire maintenance division into electricity, plumbing, and what is called carpentry. These are also certain photographs I have taken you to just encourage you. This is possible by our own, because we have a family member of 1,000. In most single practice, even in the rural setup, I believe at least 2-3 staffs are there. So that can be, replicated. This is our hospital staff. Just, would you believe, my income from this SS mask, 4-layer mask, is more than what we are earning into from our emergency OPD, diagnostics, and surgery. So these are certain photographs. Yes, but this is about the lockdown phase, or at best up to the intermittent lockdown phase. But what happens when we going to near normal or the normal? So we brought out certain policies, what is called long-term revenue generation. This is again something, there is intermittent and something of long term. So one division is definitely for product of consumables. The idea is internal market is Sushruta hospital, where I don't need any marketing, so I can sell my product, and definitely diversification of the business. So you can see some of the pictures. We are already in the process. In day-to-day life, we have identified some certain things like blades, gloves, cap, mask, syringes. So we are already in the process. We have acquired something. We have registered our company, this SAFE. We are in the process of what is called registering under MSME, means micro small business, what Prime Minister offered, I think 3 days back. And Nirmala Sitharaman, even our finance minister, is delivering our last lecture today in 3rd phase. So this is aligning with this. This is a green field. It's nothing but organic farming. We have made it a subsidiary section of the Sushruta Eye Foundation. You can do in your innovative way, whether you can do, if anybody of you heard today our finance minister's option, they have given lots of subsidy, lots of opportunity in this organic farming. And as I presume, the rural economy is going to be up, especially this agriculture, especially this organic farming. So with this, I'll be sharing one fun video.
January 2009, U.S. Airways. There are 150 Mecca to any nearby airport. Before anyone can escape, they must first survive a high-speed impact. In an instant, the $75 million plane It's become an
by drafts.
In the end, 1549 are brought to safety. Another example of how serious aviation accidents often end well.
So Corona to me is like this. This happened 2 years back. It's a very popular viral video, but can be rescued in nice way. So we are trying this take-home message I want to give you. Challenge means it is opportunity. Two terms I have taken from this Prime Minister lecture. One is Atmanirbhara, another is local to global. I believe into it, trying to align myself into this. Good marketing, this is a good investment. Only one slogan, that is save, I care. Good planning is required in financial management. Need and good SOP. People like Umang Mathur, thank you. Sir, you people have trained us in SOP and training. And definitely extra revenue generation. You can plan according to your customize the things. So I have shared this, some of the made ideas I should say. So that you can really subdivide into short term, intermediate term and long term. My only what I have presumed, if whatever Dr. Umang is smiling, I don't know sir, in my hospital I have been able to generate only 5 to 10% in the different branches. In your Delhi probably whatever the data is coming to me, it is like this. I will be happy in the November, December if I can revive to 25%. In 22, if we can revive 50%, we will feel lucky. If our marketing team helps, if we can take this marketing onto this, and definitely if we can align ourselves with the extra project like you give, whatever name you want, say for something. So saying these few words, I believe I am in time. Thank you again, Alcon people, and all the visitors or all the people attending.